Hey, what's going on? It's the Broke Genius, and welcome to the life of a broke genius, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, allow me to introduce myself. I go by the name of the Broke Genius. When you come to this channel, you're gonna get to know a little bit of me and some of the things that I'm interested in, which is family, fashion, and wellness. So if these are some of the things that you are interested as well, I welcome and consider you by becoming part of the Broke Genius gang by clicking the subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload all my new videos. But enough of the shameless plug. Let me get to the reason why I'm doing this video, which is my latest pickup / open box. But it's not much of a latest pickup because I've had it for the past 6 months. It's been sitting in my closet. I just forgot if I had it. It's the Broke Genius. Let's get to this video. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's the Broke Genius and welcome back. Alright, so as I said earlier today, I am doing an open box / latest pickup, but not much of a latest pickup because it's an item that's been sitting in my closet since May. There's a backstory to it, so I have to share the story to give you guys some context as to why. So me and the SNKRS app have this weird I hate you relationship. More so I hate it and like it sometime when I win. Like a lot of people, I barely win anything on the SNKRS app, and it's kind of frustrating for me as a buyer. So back in January, I deleted the app on my phone and I was like, yo, I'm done with the SNKRS app, because what's the point of keeping the app on my phone? Just taking space if I never win anything. I just got tired of putting any effort going into the SNKRS app only to get L's. So fast forward a few months later, I heard that the Travis Scott British Khaki 6 were coming out. The day before the release date, I said to myself, alright, I'm gonna give the SNKRS app one last chance. I'm gonna download it. If I get to win a pair of Travis Scott British Khakis, I'm gonna keep the app. So I downloaded the app the night before. The day of, which is the following day, I woke up late and kind of jumped out of my bed and realized there was only 5 or 4 minutes left to the draw. So I'm looking at the time, I'm like, I only have minutes left before the end of the draw. So I tap in the join draw. Next thing you know, it's asking me sneaker size, payment. I had to re-input all the information again. At this point, I lied to you not. I was like, yo, it's a wrap. There's no way I'm going to win this. So finally, to the last few seconds, I was able to input all my information. So I waited about an hour or so and opened the app. When I opened the app, guess what? You got them. I was ecstatic when I saw that popped up. So SNKRS God must have heard me, and I won the Travis Scott British Khaki boys. So that was my first hype beast sneakers to ever win and major W on the SNKRS app. I didn't open them immediately. They've been sitting there for the past 6 months. Alright, so I'm gonna remove my information. Give me a minute. Alright. Unopen. Alright, let's get to this open box 6 months later. Alright, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it. Ooh, nice box. I like the box. Alright, so this is the box. It has the Jumpman in the front. Jumpman, Jumpman. Alright, so I like the color. I like the color scheme for the box. It's a pretty nice box. I don't know if you guys are like this, but when I'm buying something, especially if it costs money, I like for the presentation to be just as dope. So as you open it, inside of the box is red. Smells nice. Also has let me put the box down for a few. Alright, right here. So it has a little duffel bag for the sneakers. I doubt I'm ever gonna use it, but you never know. I guess when traveling, these probably become very handy. So of course it has the Jumpman right here. Of course, when you turn it around, it says Cactus Jack to the back. Alright, this is cool. Not mad at it. Alright, so we get back to the box, and right here it has a caricature of some sort right here, whatever you want to call it. And then this is what it looks like when you open the box. Okay. So I guess I gotta take this out first. Let me take this pair out. And we're gonna take this out as well and put this here. We don't want to wrinkle the papers that's inside the box. Alright, so this is the sneakers. It's the Travis Scott British Khakis. So this is pretty dope, the way they wrote the whole Travis Scott backward Jumpman. I like the orange, that pop neon orange to at the bottom of the Jumpman, which is pretty dope. And it has the caricature right here. This is pretty dope. It comes with about 3 laces, like orange red, and then it comes with a mocha pair, and then it comes with a brown. So alright, so it has a zipper right here. I guess if you want to hide some stuff, you don't want to carry anything in your pocket, you know, that's small, that can fit into the zipper right here, into this little side pocket right here, you can go ahead and do so. Then it also has another side pocket. Alright, so you can change those. I don't know, I forgot what they call these, but you can change them. It says it has the Jumpman and then Cactus Jack, so you can change that. You know, one thing I like about these sneakers, I love the details. You know, I truly do. I can definitely appreciate the details, the small little details. For, I believe these came up to, they were $250 plus whatever, close to $300. So to pay that much money and getting the details, so I feel like it's worth it. These are definitely cool. They are definitely dope. Well made. Well made. The bag. I like them. I like these. But as much as I like them, they're probably just collecting dust in my closet some more. They are cool. I like them, it's just, but they are not for me. Listen, that's me personally. Like, I respect the craftsmanship of it. I really do. I respect the craftsmanship of it. I respect the details that they went to put into the sneakers. But these are something I would want to have after acquiring everything else that I want. That's the only way I would keep these, and that's the only way I'm going to keep them, is after acquiring everything else that I really want. But if I get the opportunity where I can trade these for something else that I really want, that's exactly what I'm going to do with them. What I would love to be able to do is I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna put them in the box. I'm gonna put them in the sneaker box, and I'm also gonna put them back in the Nike box that they came in. Of course, the seal is broken now because I just opened them, so they're going to be back in the box, and I'm gonna look to trade these into something that worth a little bit more to help me get what I really want, which is the Jordan 1 Unions, if not the Travis Scott fragments. I would love to have either one of those pair of sneakers instead of this one. Like this, I'll come back to it again later on, at a later date, after acquiring, you know, what I really want, something that I can wear immediately. So those pair of sneakers is just not for me, because it's just that the material just look like once it gets dirty, I'm gonna have to spend some money for me to really get it clean, because I don't want to spend my time to have to clean these, because they look like they're gonna be hard to clean. Like, you gotta really send them to the professional sneakers to clean them, because these worth some money. Let me go to StockX to see how much they're worth. All right, so on GOAT is going for $545. So that's how much they're going for. Let me see where else we can get them. Alright, StockX, they're going for like about $510. So prices are about $510 or so. I'm open to that, you know, but I would love to sell them, to do a trade instead of selling them. I would like to trade them for something that's worth a little bit more, where I can trade to someone else for something else that's worth a little bit more, to eventually get the Travis Scott fragment or the Union ones that I want. The Union ones, like, I don't know, I love them, I like them. Even if I cannot get them, I would love to give these as a giveaway, but I don't have enough subscribers as of yet for giveaway. So subscribe, and if you guys keep subscribing and I cannot do a trading that I want, eventually I will do a giveaway by giving these away for free. You know, they cool, I like them, but not for me, so I'm gonna trade them. Alright, so it's the Broke Genius. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, I definitely go ahead, would like to welcome and consider you by subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And to all my current subscribers, thank you very much. And I'm being more consistent with these videos. You know, let's get these views up. Let's build this Broke Gang community. It's the Broke Genius. Thank you once again, and I am signing out.